following areas in New Jersey, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northwest Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau and Southern Queens. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Wednesday. For the following area in New Jersey, Western Passaic, and the following areas in New York, Orange, Putnam, Rockland and Northern Westchester, and the following areas in Connecticut, Northern Fairfield, Northern New Haven, Northern Middlesex and Northern New London. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a winter storm warning for snow and ice, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Wednesday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: interior southern Connecticut and portions of the lower Hudson Valley and northeast New Jersey. Hazard types: mainly snow along with some sleet and freezing rain. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 6 to 10 inches, along with around 1/10 of an inch of ice. Visibilities: 1/4 to 1/2 mile. Timing: snow late tonight through Wednesday morning, mixing with and changing to sleet and freezing rain later Wednesday. Impacts: snow and ice on roads will create hazardous travel. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. For the following areas in Connecticut, Southern Fairfield, Southern New Haven, Southern Middlesex and Southern New London, and the following areas in New Jersey, Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Western Essex and Eastern Essex, and the following areas in New York, Southern Westchester, Manhattan, and Bronx. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a winter storm warning for snow and ice, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Wednesday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: southern Connecticut, northern portions of the New York City metropolitan area, and portions of northeast New Jersey. Hazard types: mainly snow along with some sleet and freezing rain. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 4 to 8 inches, along with around 1/10 of an inch of ice. Visibilities: 1/4 to 1/2 mile. Timing: snow late tonight through Wednesday morning, mixing with and changing to sleet and freezing rain later Wednesday. Impacts: snow and ice on roads will create hazardous travel. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. For the following areas in New Jersey, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northwest Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau and Southern Queens. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a winter storm warning for snow and ice, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Wednesday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: portions of the New York City metropolitan area and northeast New Jersey and northern portions of western Long Island. Hazard types: snow, sleet and freezing rain. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 3 to 5 inches, along with around 1/4 of an inch of ice. Visibilities: 1/4 to 1/2 mile in snow. Timing: snow late tonight, mixing with and changing to sleet, and freezing rain early Wednesday morning. Impacts: snow and ice on roads will create hazardous travel. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. From 11 p.m. this evening to 4 p.m. Wednesday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Hazard types: snow, sleet and some freezing rain. Snow accumulations: 6 to 10 inches. Ice accumulations: up to 1/10 of an inch. Timing: snow will overspread the region late this evening and may fall heavy at times overnight, then continuing Wednesday. The snow though should mix with sleet Wednesday, with some areas changing over to some freezing rain and sleet. The precipitation should taper off during Wednesday afternoon. Impacts: dangerous travel conditions due to snow-covered roads and reduced visibility later tonight and Wednesday. The heavy accumulation of snow in addition to some icing could bring down some tree limbs and power lines, resulting in some power outages. The Wednesday morning commute will be greatly impacted. From 11 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Wednesday. Hazard types: snow, sleet and freezing rain. Snow accumulations: 2 to 4 inches. Ice accumulations: around 1/4 of an inch. Timing: snow will overspread the region late this evening, then mix with sleet, before changing to freezing rain overnight. The freezing rain should change to plain rain around midday Wednesday. The precipitation should then taper off during Wednesday afternoon. Impacts: dangerous travel conditions due to snow-covered roads, reduced visibility and then icing late tonight and Wednesday. The accumulation of snow in addition to significant icing could very well bring down tree limbs and power lines, resulting in power outages. From 11 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Wednesday. Hazard types: some snow and sleet, then a period of freezing rain. Snow accumulations: 1 to 2 inches. Ice accumulations: 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. Timing: snow will overspread the region toward midnight, then mix with sleet, before changing to freezing rain. The freezing rain should change to plain rain toward mid-morning Wednesday. The precipitation should then taper off during Wednesday afternoon. Impacts: hazardous travel conditions due to snow or slush-covered roads, reduced visibility and then icing late tonight and Wednesday morning. The ice accumulation on top of the snow could bring down some tree limbs and power lines, resulting in some power outages. For the following area in New Jersey, Western Passaic, and the following areas in New York, Orange, Putnam, Rockland, and Northern Westchester, and the following areas in Connecticut, Northern Fairfield, Northern New Haven, Northern Middlesex, and Northern New London. Winter storm warning in effect from midnight tonight to 6 p.m. Wednesday.